I've been using the G major pentatonic scale, which fingering goes like this. First, you start here on the note G on the fourth string, then you move to A and B. On the string below, we have D and E, and below we have G, A, B, and below on the first string we have D and E. For the group, first you are going to play the open E string with the slap, then we are going to play the G note on the same string with the hammer-on, using only your left hand, and then again the same note with the slap, then reverse thumb, and next we are going to mute the strings with our left hand, and we are to play slap, popping, slap, and finally with the popping the G note on the second string. Then we are going to play the A with the hammer-on, then D with the slap on the third string, hammer-on to E, then we mute the strings again and we play a ghost note with the slap, then popping on D on the first string, hammer-on to E, and this is the first bar. For the second bar, we are playing the same, up to here to A. Once you have played A on the second string, you are going to play A here on the fourth string. Then for the third bar, you are playing exactly the same as the first. And for the last bar, you are playing this D with the popping, hammer-on to E, then G on the second string with the slap, hammer-on to A, and finally D on the third string and hammer-on to E. The whole bass line goes like this.